Looking for a better car stereo in 2026 can get confusing very quickly. Some units are simple wireless CarPlay upgrades made for older single-DIN dashboards. Others are full Android double-DIN systems with large touchscreens and built-in GPS. And a few are designed specifically for certain BMW or Volkswagen models, so they keep the original look and controls. Prices, screen sizes, operating systems, and installation difficulty all vary a lot, and customer experiences are not the same across every option. In this video, we compare 5 different car stereos that buyers are actually choosing right now. You'll see how they differ in screen size, connectivity, ease of installation, sound performance, and real customer feedback. By the end, you should have a much clearer idea of which type of unit actually fits your car and your needs, instead of just guessing from product titles. Number 5. NAVIFANS 6.86-inch 1-DIN wireless CarPlay stereo. The NAVIFANS 6.86-inch universal 1-DIN unit upgrades older single-DIN dashboards with a sharp 1280 by 480 HD touchscreen. It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto on the compatible versions, letting you access maps, music, and calls without plugging in a cable. Built-in Bluetooth handles hands-free calling and audio streaming, while FM radio, USB, and front aux cover extra playback needs. Steering wheel control compatibility and optional reverse camera input round out the practical features. Many buyers find installation straightforward in compact cars and notice clearer sound and a better display than the original factory radio. Several highlight the strong value and reliable smartphone connection. A few mention occasional music playback noise or brief skips, yet most still rate the unit highly overall. It works well for drivers who want modern connectivity and a larger screen without switching to a double-DIN setup. Just confirm the specific model supports wireless CarPlay before ordering. Number 4. ESSGOO Android Double-DIN Car Stereo. The ESSGOO Universal Double-DIN unit runs on Android and comes in 7, 9, or 10-inch IPS touchscreen options with resolutions up to 1280 by 720. It includes wireless and wired CarPlay, plus Android Auto, built-in GPS for online and offline navigation, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, and steering wheel control support. 4 45-watt outputs deliver clearer audio than many factory systems, while reverse camera input and FM/RDS radio add everyday usefulness. Many buyers call it excellent value and praise the complete feature set, smooth CarPlay mirroring, and solid screen quality. Several note they are very satisfied after installation. A few report occasional freezing or rebooting that sometimes persists even after updates, though most still find it works well once stable. It suits drivers upgrading an older double-DIN dash who want full smartphone integration, navigation, and a larger modern display without spending on a premium brand. Confirm the exact screen size and RAM configuration before ordering. Number 3. BQCC Android Double-DIN Car Stereo. The BQCC Universal Double-DIN unit offers 7, 9, or 10-inch IPS screens at 1024 by 600 resolution and runs on Android 11. It includes wireless CarPlay, wired Android Auto, built-in GPS with offline map support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and a 9-band equalizer. 4 60-watt outputs, steering wheel control, reverse camera input, and split-screen functionality cover most daily needs. Customer feedback is strongly positive. Many buyers praise the clear screen, improved sound over factory units, fast CarPlay connection, and overall value. Several mention quick delivery, solid build, and smooth navigation performance. A few note minor installation adjustments or slight differences between advertised and installed Android versions, yet most rate the unit highly and say they would buy it again. It fits drivers looking for an affordable Android head unit with modern smartphone integration and decent power without stepping up to higher RAM models. Confirm the exact screen size and memory configuration that matches your needs before ordering. Number 2. Road Top BMW CarPlay Display Screen. The road-top 10.25-inch or 12.3-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen is designed specifically for BMW 1, 2, 3, and 4 series, F20 through F36, with NBT or CIC systems that use the 6-pin LVDS connector. It upgrades the factory display while keeping all original head unit features, buttons, and steering wheel controls intact. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto work alongside the existing navigation, Bluetooth, and USB functions. Most buyers report a clean fit, straightforward installation, often under an hour, and smooth performance. Many praise the sharp screen, reliable wireless connection, and the fact that everything continues to work as before. A few mention minor audio level adjustments or the need to confirm the exact system type before ordering, but overall satisfaction is very high. This unit suits BMW owners who want modern smartphone integration without replacing the entire factory radio or losing original functionality. Double-check that your car has the compatible 6-pin LVDS plug before purchasing. Number 1. EzoneTronics 7-inch VW CarPlay stereo. The EzoneTronics 7-inch double-din unit is designed for many Volkswagen, Skoda, and Seat models, including Golf, Polo, Passat, Touran, and Octavia. It features a factory-style look with physical buttons, wired CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth for calls and music, FM radio with 18 presets, dual USB ports, aux input, and steering wheel control support. Reverse camera input and 6 EQ presets add everyday convenience. Customer feedback is consistently strong. Many buyers say it works perfectly, looks good in the dash, and offers solid value. Several call the quality good and highly recommend it after successful installation in Skoda and VW vehicles. A few note that setting up CarPlay can take a little extra time, but once connected, the performance is smooth and reliable. This unit suits owners of compatible VW Group cars who want a clean OEM-style upgrade with modern smartphone integration, without moving to a larger or more expensive Android system. Confirm your exact model fitment before ordering. Those are the 5 car stereo options we looked at. Each one serves a slightly different type of driver, whether you need a simple wireless upgrade, a full Android system, or a model-specific screen for BMW or Volkswagen. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and exact compatibility details, and make sure the unit matches your car's dash and wiring before ordering. If this comparison helped you narrow things down, consider liking the video and subscribing for more practical car upgrade guides.